Teachers, so this is the template that I thought of having it for the quiz competition, the intra-house quiz competition. As I told you already, the meeting that we'll have a common template, and then we will use this template to input the questions. Okay, the reason is because if everyone keeps on giving questions in a different format, it'll be very difficult for us to append everything and put it across. So I thought let us have a common template so which can be directly used in the quiz. Okay, sometimes it may work, it may not work, and all these problems will be there. Here, this video I will just showcase you to show about how to edit the questions and put it across here. Okay, I will not take much time. So this is the intro slide which shows you about what are the quiz guidelines. If you want to change anything, you can change this also here. And then, so part one, so first one is the multiple choice questions. So what we need to do is we can put the input questions over here, and then we can put the 4 choices over here. So I put one slide here to showcase this, and then the second slide will also be the same thing. So what you can do is you can edit this one, okay, and then you can copy this one. You can just duplicate this slide and put it over here, and the third slide would be the final answer over here. The reason why I am putting 2 slides here is because by mistake, if suppose while operating the system there, okay, if I press this one, so automatically the answer will be shown in the second slide itself. I don't want that to happen. So as a result of it, okay, even if I do it by mistake, the students can wait for one more slide. But while by mistake, if I commit a mistake and click on it, then automatically the answer should not be revealed. So that's the reason why I have put it something like this. So I have created 1, 2, 3. So this is for one question, one MCQ, 3 slides are required. Please do not change it. Let it be as such. So in a similar way, I have done it for the next one. So to identify how different one question will be from the other one, okay, so what I have done is I have given 2 different colors over here. So this is for the first slide, this is for the second slide here, and then third slide, once again you get something like this. Okay, for the second slide you get a colored box, that is the correct answer will be shown over here. The correct answer will just be given the option number. Okay, you need not even completely reveal it. Okay, something like this. So I'm not making anything automated over here, only this one will have an animation. Okay, the rest of them will just be shown directly over there, because more the animation, what happens is loading up of the slides will take a longer time. So the better thing is, okay, so I will not put any animation over here, so I will just put only animation for the correct answer over here. As for example, I can showcase you what is the animation here. So if I go here and click on this, so this is how the final slide will appear. Okay, then now similarly I have done it for, so 1, 2, 3, third question, this is the fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, eight questions I have done. Okay, so that there should not be something like overlap, physics, chemistry and biology. So if you keep on overlapping, the questions will be difficult. So as a result of it, I've done something like this. Okay, and the teachers who will be appending or adding questions for this will be from chemistry and biology only. Physics questions will not come in the MCQ round. Okay, the next round which we have is audio visual round. Let me go to the audio visual round over here. So audio visual round. So here I have put the instructions. Okay, if you want to add some more instructions, you can just click over here and you can just add over there. Okay, do not change the font or anything. The moment we change something over here, so while we put it across in the projector or in the system, it might change. So I have used only system based fonts. Right, so here, so as you see here, the question can be put over here, and the video has to be downloaded from YouTube and then put it over here. I'll just show you one of the videos. I just put it over here. Okay, and this is how it runs. So the moment you put it across, you can run over here.
Potassium
So you have to
permanganate
click
is a
on that,
very
and then you
strong
have to run this.
oxidizer and
So as a
suitable
result of it,
dish.
you will be able to see
Crystalline
this one.
potassium permanganate
Okay,
was
and
used.
let us see to
If
it
a
that this
powdered
sound is
form is
also
used,
muted,
the reaction is
and
going to go
thereby
much
we
quicker.
get the complete video.
Then about
It's been
5
shown like this.
milliliters of glycerin was
Okay,
added.
and now how do I upload this particular thing? What I need to do is I can just remove this. I can just delete this over here. I can just delete this over here, and then I just need to go to insert, and then I go to the video. So video appears to be somewhere over here. Video is here. Click on the video. Don't click on online video. Click on video on my PC, because tomorrow while we operate it, if the online video doesn't work, then you'll be having a problem. Click on video on my PC, and then select the video whatever you want. For example, I have this particular video. I can click here, say insert. Automatically video will pop up here. You can adjust the size of it. Let us keep the size to be a constant over here. Let us keep it only so much over here. Okay, so that first you type in the question and then you put the video over here, right? Okay, then similarly I have done it for all these slides like this, and one of these slides will have an answer similar to it. This will be popping out over here, right? And then so I have done it for, so 3 slides, once again 3 slides for one question. So 1 2 3 4 4 slides over here, 4 questions over here for the audiovisual round. Then comes the rapid fire round. In the rapid fire round, you have questions will be asked in rapid question succession. So teams must answer as quickly as possible. So here what I have done is you are supposed to put 10 questions over here. Okay, so 10 questions over here. So 1 2 3 4, all the 4 disciplines, who all are supposed to put it over here. I'll just let you know here. So you see what we have decided for rapid fire, physics, chemistry and biology, all 3 disciplines should be, teachers should be putting it over here the questions. So randomly we can choose, okay, maybe first physics 3 questions can put over there, chemistry another 4, biology another 4 and so on. So you can put something like this. Okay, so thus every slide all the 3 teachers should be putting the questions over here. Okay, then 10 questions, maybe I have put 4 slides over here, you can restrict it to 3, PCB over here. Then comes the displaying the apparatus. So the apparatus part, for example, I have put the apparatus over here. So within this box itself we can put it. For example, I can remove this figure and then I can input a new figure over here. So and then I can identify the laboratory apparatus. I can give what is the clue over here, which experiment and so on. I can give it like this, right? So then we have second question, third question, so on. So this is also given. Then comes the circuit round, which you will do it. Here teams identify the missing components. So here what we'll do is the same type of template I've used it over here. Okay, so maybe I'll increase the size. You can also increase if you need it be, okay, and thus the image will appear over here, right? Finally, we come to the end of the slide, and then comes the final score chart. Okay, this can be edited at the end over here. Once when we stop over here, so we can put it over here. In each round, how much each team actually scored, we can put it over here. Okay, so this is all about the PPT slide. I'm just attaching this PPT slide along with the video in the group, so you can view into it. And if you still have any questions, you can ask me. Please do not overlap the questions. Okay, which means that if someone has typed some questions in one slide, okay, do not type this, the other teacher do not type it into the same slide, and so that, okay, so one should not complain saying that already I had typed in the questions are missing and so on. I'm not uploading it as a Google slide. Let one teacher complete the rest of them. Once it has been done, okay, then the teacher submit it to the group and the second teacher can continue with it. Okay, so this is how we can collaboratively work together. Thank you.